Hi, welcome to my session. Today we are just talking about the basic how a smart home system is running. From this one, we firstly going. For example, if we have this lamp, this is a normal lamp, and then this is the switch. As you see, doing like this. Okay. In a normal way, a traditional way, when we have this one to going like this, let's connect it for it. When we have this one, if we connected them together, okay, and when after we connected this one, if we put this one to the socket, and the lights should be on. So you see this light is on, but it's directly giving power from the socket. From China, it's 220 volts. Okay, now we go next step, and this is the traditional straight guide switch. And we put it and connect it to this one and make this one to be the chill for these normal nights. And this is every family would have. Firstly, and we will switch off. We need this one and to be connected in the middle of this. Firstly, we remove this from the connector. We just removed. They have some two of the wire. Usually, the blue. This one is used for the neutral, and then this one is used for the hot well. So the hot well will be going. The neutral will be going back to the socket. And we connected one of this one. Now you see, this is the connector. And then this one is the power cord. And we connected this one first. If you want to switch off the one of the power, for example, if we put in the middle, you can see this one is L1 and L2. So we put in this one. And then this one will go to the power supply directly. So this is L1. And then input and output. And in the middle is the switch. We first make this one to be loose. So you see, still there. Okay, then we put this one from here. So you see the color will be the same. So usually this is one of the way. Actually, if you have three gun switches also, and you can use this one. And then this is for the go for run the earth. If you have the earth, you can put it here. Okay, we have connected these two together. And then this one again needed to put it back. Okay. before we go for that, we may need to use this one, the power meter, to check for the connectivity. Okay. So you see this one. Okay, let's check for the connectivity. First, the neutral. Okay, it's on. And then check this one from this way to this way. Now, you see no sounds means that's no connection. So when we switch on, so now it's on. Okay, let's take off. But every time and when you wiring something, because it's 220 power supply, so must be very careful. It's dangerous. Let me to do connection with the socket. This one. So now you see light is on. So this is the normal way how lamp is working for lighting. So when we turn off this one, it will be off and then turn on. Then, if we are going, what a smart home system is that we put something in the middle, for example, and this one. This one is usually is called the relay module, and then you can see from this way, uh, they have some of the button. These buttons is a little bit like these buttons. You can directly to control from here to turn on and turn off this one. Actually, it has the input and output. For example, this is the first input and first output from here. Input and output. So the lead well, the hot well will come in from this way, and then out here going to the lab like this one from here. So it is doing like that, what if we have the power supply, then coming in this way and then coming out to this way and then go to the left, and then we can switch on and off from here. Actually, this is just like a bigger switch, but this one will be put in your DD. So now I will remove the power, and then we are check how this one was working. You can see from this way, they have one in and one out. So you can see clearly. One in and one out, and then two in and then two out, three out, until it has 12 in and out. So you have different phase input. And also you will be, what's this for? It's for S bus connection. Why we need a bus? Normal switches will be going like this. This is the mechanical one. When we turn on, and then the power supply has been connected, and then the lamp will be on. If we turn off, and then the connection lost, so it will be off. We cut the power. This is the normal way, and then also this is the way. And why we need this one? Because it has the inside some of the chips inside, and then we can make an idea control and for efficiency working and also for safety. Later you will know if we have some of the switches and connected just by this, it's called the bus connector, and connected here or here or here. They have three connection options. You can connect it from here and from whatever you like. And then you can make it control from the switches. Okay, then let's go in for this way. Hello, welcome, Carol. I'm just trying to make a live video and to show you how this one was working. Okay, let's do some connection for these ones. Firstly, I will remove this one. Remove the switches first. So the switches has been removed. Okay. Now you see, this one is from here, the lamp. Another one is from the power supply directly. And you see this Just now we see input and output, and this is input 1. So the power supply will be giving power from this way. So that's connected. So this one will be connected from here. So this is in. And then we have the output. So the output will be going from here to the lambdas. This one. So, so now you see this one has been connected. So we can check the connection here. Okay, use this one from this. So now no connection. It's good. If we are turning this one from here, it will be on. But now the device is also need a power supply. Let's go next step. But before this one acting as the switch, we need another steps to. For the devices, we need some power supply. Usually, the bus system will be having, will use the 24 voltage as the power supply. It's DC 24. So we need some adapter. So this is one of the adapter from this way, and you can see 24 voltage. And from this one, is 24 voltage and 2 ampere. So this is the adapter. And then this one is going to 220. So this is the L input from here, and the output from here. And this is the S-bus connector. So that's connected together. This one will directly give it to 20 voltage for this. Hi, how are you, Alex? So this one we are putting together. And then this one we are going for giving power. So now you are seeing this one has been powered on, and this is the lamp. We put here, and we put here. So you see, when I turn on from here, this light is on. So turn off, turn on, and then turn off. And this is usually how a bus module and make control for the laptop. Then we add one by one. You can see this is what we call the switches. But these switches no need to only no need to 20 the high voltage power supply, and only DC power supply is okay. The bus will be powered this one. I'm not sure how this one working. before we are going, and then we needed to have something is called the S bus. For example, this is called whatever we say the S bus, and the bus people will be connected to devices together. And then we also need this the hub, like the switches. Okay. And then we firstly remove this one because we need enough one. But given this one here, and these ones can be connected on this way. You can see when this one is connected. So the light is on. And if turn off, the light is off. Okay. And then we were showing how this one was working with this. We have this cable connected one of these cable to here, any places. Okay, connection is good. And then when connected with this one, it will be on. This is a multifunction switches and has many of the pages, multi-pages, making control for 90. And we call this DDP, dynamic display switches. And then you can see this one can control the AC and control four pages of levels, and you can make a customized control, and also make a music control, and also for let's check the first one. How can this one to make a control and for this light? Everything of the big one. Now, so the only things that we need to do is from here when we long press. You see, this nice LED is blink, so the lights also blink. And then when we turn on from here, this is called the device's pirate. After we finish the pairing, and then we're waiting for this one to be loaded. So when I turn on, so this one also on. You can see from the indicators. When I turn off, it will be on. When I turn off, it will be off. So you can see from this So you can see that smart home system actually is very easy. Thank you. We finish it today. And tomorrow we will go in our next step and to showing how more the devices can do. Thank you.